How to make your dreams come true. There are many people in today's society who are living super and successful lives. How did they get to that point? Is luck the reason for all their success? Today we will talk a little about it. Is your success the reason for luck? No. Luck is something we create, not something we just receive. Many people think that everything comes to luck. That is not true. It is an illusion. If you also want to have a successful life, listen to this carefully. How to choose the right goal and dream. For that, the first thing you should do is get a good understanding of the special abilities you have. Do some self-study. At first, you may think, I have no special abilities. But if you think carefully and slowly, you can realize the talents and special abilities you have. But if you cannot get an idea or understanding about it, find out what you like to do the most. There is definitely a chance that your talent and ability are hidden in it. After choosing the right dream and goal, start taking steps towards it. For this, first you must sincerely believe in yourself. Then you can reach it. Start working with strong confidence in it. Get the knowledge and training you need to reach your dream and goal quickly. Prepare a good plan. Study its steps carefully one by one. Set target deadlines for those steps. Start your business as small as possible and work towards your dream and goal. If you are truly confident in your journey, keep working without paying attention to the negative obstacles that come your way from the outside world. Do not be proud of your small achievements, but be grateful and happy. Work with increasing enthusiasm. Believe in yourself. Whenever obstacles and problems come, gain strength in your heart that you can succeed. If you work with a plan and determination, you can definitely reach your dream and goal soon. Remember that the time it takes to reach your dream and goal is determined by the amount of faith and dedication you have in it.